Hi students, I am Ekta Singh. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the subject and predicate in a sentence. Let's start. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, or thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. For what which sentence? That person, place, or thing. The person, place, or thing we mention in the sentence, that is what? That is subject. Whatever we say about the person or things is that our predicate. Is that clear? The person, place, or thing we mention is the subject, and whatever we say about the person or thing is the predicate. Look at the sentence below. For the example, first is the fishermen are catching fish. Second, I live in Mumbai. And third, Lucy is playing piano. In the first sentence, the fishermen are catching fish. The fisherman is the main word of a sentence. Of this sentence, that's why the fisherman is subject and or catching fish is the predicate. In the next sentence, I live in Mumbai. I is the main word of this sentence. That's why I is what? I is subject and live in Mumbai is predicate. In the third sentence, Lucy is playing piano. It's mean Lucy. What is the Lucy? Lucy is the main word of its sentence. It's mean Lucy is what? Lucy is subject and is playing piano is what? Predicate. Come to the next topic, object. What is object? A predicate may have two parts, a verb and an object. The second noun or pronoun in the sentence is called the object. It receives the action of the subject. Let us look at the first and the third sentence again. The first sentence, the fishermen are catching fish. In this sentence, the subject is what? Fisherman. And what he was catching? He was catching fish. It means fish is what? Fish is object. In the next sentence, Lucy is playing piano. In this sentence, what is the Lucy? I have told Lucy is subject. And what is playing? Lucy is playing piano. It's mean what is the piano? Piano is object. Clear one thing, the subject is connected with the object through the verb. In a sentence, both the verb and the object complete the information about the subject. Note this line, object in a sentence you can find to ask what and whom. And remember one thing, only noun or pronoun can be an object. Normally, a subject comes before the predicate, but in some cases, such as proverbs, it may come at the end of the subject. How? For example, sweet are the uses of adversity. And the second is what you have to remember. Subject may be missing in imperative sentence like keep quiet, sit down, stand up. Now I am going to giving you an exercise first. What you have to do in this exercise? Separate the subject from the predicate in the following sentence. First is the boy stood on the bank of a river. Second is the princess has a kind heart. Third is I love eating chocolates. And the fourth is I hate dishonesty. And there's also exercise 2. You have to identify the object in the following. Also mention when there is no object. Someone has stolen my watch. You have to identify in this sentence what is object. I miss my childhood. Third is why are you crying? And fourth is all living things are mortal. But remember it, you have to also mention if there is no object in the sentence. Thank you. Have a nice day.